Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I want to show you a new exciting project called Survivor Protocol. It has really some features that I've never seen before or I have never heard before of, so stick with me to the very end so that you can see how this works. So first of all, there are 10 different tiers of APY. Just that you understand, I will just give you a short introduction. It's actually a rebase token, and it's right now, you can't even buy it right now. I will show you when you can buy it and where you can buy it later on. But actually, it's going to be a rebase token. This means you buy this token or these tokens, you hold them in your wallet, and you will get rewards automatically, without doing anything. So let me show you. There will be 10 different tiers. You start in tier 10 with 400k APY, and every time, this is a really nice feature, every time you sell your tokens, you get in a lower tier, and the lower your tier, the lower your APY. So this is a really nice feature, because this should, or I guess it will also prevent a lot of people from selling too fast, because of course you want to maintain a very high APY so that you get a lot of rewards. Then survive, diamond holders rewarded. What does this mean? Survivor uses game theory to create the first ever survive to earn concept, where players will need to strategize how they can earn maximum returns. This means, like, to keep it short, this means the longer you hold, the more rewards you will get. Somehow the explanation is like from the same, like from the 10 tiers. And jackpot, sustainability is our focus. What does it mean? Every 3 months starts a new jackpot funded by 1% tax from each buy and sell. Jackpots conclusion split the pot relative to their tokens held and entry point. Okay. So this means from every time you buy a token or sell a token, you're gonna pay tax, and they will keep 1% of this tax, and there will be a jackpot. So this is a really nice feature. And let me show the buy and sell tax breakdown. First of all, most or some of these words may sound like unfamiliar to you, but I will come to this later and explain you. So buy tax, this means if you buy the tokens, you will pay 6% tax. If you sell them, 20%. Then we have the live lock, we have the lifeline, the treasury, the burial ground, and the ration pool. So right now, I guess you don't know what this means, but I will explain it to you. So because these are some really nice features that help you make money. So if you go down here, you find the FAQs, and here you also have the links. So let me show you. If you go to their Twitter, right now they have about 7,000 followers. And if you go here, links, Linktree, then this will open this Linktree. You can get to the website. I will put all the links in the description. And what's interesting, there have also been KYC'd. You can see this here. For example, you can click here, and it has been KYC'd, as you can see here, by Assure DeFi. Okay. Then what's also interesting, the medium. Let me show you. Here you can see first come, first serve. Public pre-sale starts on July 19th. Okay, on their website. And the minimum amount that you can buy is 20 BUSD, that means $20, and the maximum amount are gonna be 20k BUSD. Okay, if you want to, you can read this in detail here, but anyway, the links will be in the description. So what I also want to show you right now is the white paper. Let me show you. The interesting thing here, here you see the tiers. Okay. This means if you start right now, you will be in tier 10 and you will get 400k APY, and you will get 50% of the ration pool. And once you decide to sell, you will drop one tier lower. So you will find yourself in tier 9, and then you just have, it's still a lot, but then you have 200k APY and 25% of the ration pool. If you would sell again, then you would be in tier 8, 100k APY and 12.5% of duration pool, and so on and so on and so on. And worst case, so to say, if you're in tier 1, you get 781.25% APY and 0.50.3% of the ration pool, okay? So the ration pool, what is the ration pool? Let me explain to you. On every buy and every sell of the health token, yeah, that's a token, a portion is going to be reflected back in BUSD and sent to the ration pool, okay? The ration pool will fund the BUSD disbursement to each tier. In order to qualify for your tier payment of BUSD, you must, listen now carefully, you must not sell, you should not sell the entire week starting from 12 a.m. Sunday through next Sunday 12 a.m. okay, so you should just hold it and don't sell it. If you sell during this time period, your wallet will be excluded from your tier and you will be dropped a tier lower, okay? The lifeline, yeah? The lifeline means on every buy and sell, a portion will be sent to the lifeline fund. The lifeline fund will be used as determined by the team through a multi-sig wallet to buy back and burn health tokens, yeah? To buy back and burn them should keep the price stable or growing, yeah? Depends on how much you buy back and how much they burn, okay? This is designed to add a deflationary mechanism to the health token for increased sustainability, okay? Then we have the live lock. What is the live lock? On every buy and sell, a portion will be sent to the live lock. Live lock will automatically add liquidity to the protocol and encourage price stability. This prevents bank runs, but at the same time provides the best possible price for those who do wish to sell. Strong liquidity is a must for healthy protocol, and this should be the key to it, yeah, their live lock, okay? Then we also have the burial ground. The burial ground, a portion of every buy and sell will be sent to the burial ground to be burned. That's very good, you know, if they decrease the amount of tokens, this should also make the price more sustainable and also maybe go up, okay? The burial ground is an inaccessible burn wallet, but it does rebase, okay? So this burns their tokens there, yeah? The jackpot, listen carefully, interesting fact. The jackpot, there will be a 1% tax on both buys and sells that will go towards the survivor jackpot. This jackpot will be a prize given to the survivor who outbuys, outholds and outlasts their opponents in their protocol. The percentage of the jackpot you will be eligible for will be determined by the amount you hold. So the more you hold, the more you will get, okay? There will be tiers for certain amounts you need to hold to be eligible for certain percentages of the jackpot pool, okay? Time held will also be weighted so that if you bought only a month before the jackpot contest closed, you would be entitled to less than someone who held for 2 months, for example, yeah? So the more you have and the longer you hold, the more you will get, to keep it short, okay? So there are some more links or explanations. I will put the links in the description so you can read them if you want. And as always, guys, you know, no financial advice. I just want to show you this project. Always do your own research before you invest your money. And yeah, but this sounds to me like a really cool project with some really cool new features, yeah? So if you liked this video, or if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.